Guys, welcome to my channel, Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. I am coming to you today with a continuation of my living room refresh fall decor. I uploaded that one a few minutes ago and I didn't have time to add all of this together with my living room and my kitchen, so I decided to do my living room separately and my dining area and my kitchen together. So here we are, guys. This is my dining area fall decor refresh. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys where I got some of these pieces from. And let's start with the tape escape. With the tape escape, I was going to order one from Amazon, but then I just so happened went to the Dollar Tree and I found this little beauty here. It's almost between like a cloth and a little silk. Feels nice. Great accent to the table. And here we got the napkin. I got these napkins from Home Goods. They was, I believe it was 8 in a pack for $12.99. And they are white. And I got the napkin ring from Home Goods as well. And they was $7.99 for a pack of 4. Great deal. And for the placemats, I got the placemats from Home Goods, and they was $7.99 for a pack of 4, and they are very nice. I'm gonna lift this up so you can see it a little bit better, but that's what it looks like. Okay, and the charger. Guys, I couldn't believe that these chargers was at the Dollar Tree because they are thick and they are sturdy. They're not flimsy like some of the others chargers you get from the Dollar Tree. But these are solid. And my plates. I got my plates from the Dollar Tree as well. These are called the gather plate. Well, I call them the pumpkin plates. And they are so beautiful. Look like I paid more than $1 for them. And here I got the little salad plate gather. It's the pumpkin as well, so they match. And I didn't get the cups and the soup bowl. I didn't think I need all of that. Just be in the way. Okay, so there we have it for that. And for our flatwares, I'm not for sure where I got these from. Oh, sorry about that. And also these here, these glasses, I'm not for sure where I got those from. I had those in my cabinet and cannot remember. Okay, and here is my little I DIY'd this on a video call from Junk to Treasure. I uploaded that one, I think, Monday of this week. Okay, and so this is the finished result of my little DIY here. And this is how I styled that. And the pumpkin, got those from the Dollar Tree. All of the pumpkins you see on the table are from the Dollar Tree. And this little beauty here, I showed these to you in a haul maybe a couple weeks ago. And they was $19.99 each, which I thought that was a great deal. Love the detail around the rim of the globe and around the stem base. And this one here, I'll see if you can see it. Yes, it detail is at the very base of the globe. And my pillows I got from Burlington. This one came as a set of two, the burnt orange, the lumbar. And this pillow here, the gold pillow, came as a set of two for $17.99. So both of them was a set of $17.99. But I can't chop it, guys. So, but anyway, I got it. I am going to show you what I did with the pumpkins. These are the two pumpkins that was in my Treasure to Junk video. And this pumpkin was a bright orange. Both of them was like a bright orange. And it had a loud green stem on it. And so I went on and I spray painted both of them gold, metallic gold. And I added some bling on the top of them, both of them. And there we have it. And this is how I styled those two pumpkins that I DIY. Right here we have the lantern. And I got this from Ross for $9.99. Okay. And this little flower here, I'm not for sure where I got it from. Okay, I know some of you guys probably saying, well, she didn't tell us where she got the LEDs candles from. But I got these LEDs candles from At Home. It was like 3 came in a pack, $14.99. I don't think they even sell them anymore because I went looking for some. They had some more, but the price was not $14.99. And it did came with a remote control. And as you can see, they changed colors. So they got 12 different colors that they change. And you can set that to stay still, all white. Okay, let me give you one more pan around the area. Hey guys, I'm just going to give you a quick view of my kitchen. I just did a little refresh, just add a little home decor for the fall. Okay. area here, these items here are from the Dollar Tree. All of these items are from the Dollar Tree. And these items here, starting with the candle, I got this from Ross for $7.99. The books came from Burlington, $4.99. And I added these little birds here. They are $8.99 each from Ross. The bigger pumpkin came from Burlington for $9.99. The smaller pumpkin came from the Dollar Tree. The vase came from Ross, $7.99. The floral came from the Dollar Tree, as well as the pumpkin. The candlestick came from Burlington for $6.99, and the little starburst mirrors, I already had those up there, so I didn't feel like taking them down, so I just let those stay put. And these little hand cloths, they came from, well, hand towels, they came from the Dollar Tree as well. And here in this little corner, there's another mirror that matches the other two mirrors on the other end. This giraffe came from Burlington for $7.99. And the little pumpkin, Dollar Tree. Pumpkin inside the little canister, Dollar Tree. Can't remember where I got the little canister from, but I thought it was cute, so I just put a pumpkin over in it. And the larger pumpkin, gold pumpkin, came from Burlington, $6.99. And here's another area. Okay, here where I got the picture from HomeCo, as well as the shelf from HomeCo. Got the pumpkins, a little small one and a large one. Well, a small one and a medium-sized one. And guys, I just love the shape of this little pumpkin. It just seemed like it's about to burst, fold over. Okay. And I got the grapes from HomeCo as well. And this is what this little area here is looking like. I thought it would go good in this little spots here, the small area. And just on top of my refrigerator, just got just a couple of plants up there just to set it off. Like a clean area on top of my refrigerator.